Hi everyone, this is Zahir here and welcome to my channel. And here I have been working in Microsoft Excel for the past 15 years and thought to share what I have learned so far in Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a fantastic application. It provides multiple features and formulas to work with your data, be it any organization, school, anything. You can work in Microsoft Excel and develop a meaningful uh, information or data. So I would like to take you through what is Microsoft Excel, why need to learn Microsoft Excel, steps to learn Microsoft Excel. Okay, so let's go. See, as you can see my screen, it is I just wanted to tell you, like, even you don't know anything about Microsoft Excel, please follow my channel. You will understand from the basics, and you can also become master in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's go. Okay, what is Microsoft Excel? So this is a software application created by Microsoft Corporation, and it helps you to organize the data and analyze and perform any analysis, financial or any other analysis, data analysis you can make in using Microsoft Excel. So you need to understand whether it helps you to organize it and do the analysis and visualize it as well. So you visualize in terms of graphs and charts. You can develop it. So basically, organize, analyze, and visualize. So what are the things includes in Microsoft Excel? It helps you to manage your data entry, data side of management, and with that data you can analyze further, and you can also do, if you have a numbers in, if data is in numbers, you can do financial analysis. And with that, even if you have a data and in numbers, you can do charts and graphs. Like as I said, you can visualize it. And also you can use as a Microsoft Excel as a programming tool using macros. You can develop a program. Is like if you have a sequential activities, you can, using macros, you can minimize your efforts on the repetitive works, and you can also, many things you can do in Microsoft Excel. So, and also Microsoft Excel will help you to do a time management and task management. Some, like you can, manage your entire project status reporting, or in plan versus actual of the project, how the project is going on. All those things you can still record and understand that where we are heading to, with the speed, how much time it requires, and how many number of days required to complete the task, anything. So it is basically help you to, as I said, that is help you to organize it for any sort of organization needs. Okay, and why it helps you, like it includes many functions like date function, character function, lookup function, stuff like that. It help you to bring it more organized. And also you have given very different formulas, mathematical formulas, text formulas, all those, which will help you to develop many, you can enhance. That's it about Microsoft Excel. Hope you understand what is Microsoft Excel. If you don't know, you just give me a comment. I can provide much more information once you have provided me the comment. Okay, so then why we need to learn Microsoft Excel? So Microsoft Excel will help you to, first thing is, any business problems you have in terms of organizing, managing. This tool will come very handy upfront and manage many things. You can record here. You can do a lot of different analysis. You can do monthly. You can want to know monthly trend. What is the monthly trends, daily trends, weekly trends. So then you can uh, make a decision making. So this will become a, you need to learn Microsoft Excel to troubleshoot your business problem. And one thing is, once you put everything in Excel, will help you to do data analysis. This will be a basic, or I can say a much more effective data analysis tool for you to perform or forecast or understand it, what decision I need to make so that I can achieve a good results. So that's why it helps you to analyze it well. And also as a personal growth, you can be you can develop your skill set in Microsoft Excel, and you can still do a better at your job. So many things you can resolve that problems using Microsoft Excel. And also once you understand it, Microsoft Excel, and you can the prospect of for a job or a salary will definitely increase it. You'll be seen as a very techie or a very analytical guy if you have a Microsoft Excel advanced knowledge. Okay, that's why you need to learn Microsoft Excel. So hope you have learned why Microsoft Excel needs to be learned. And next thing is, what is the different steps I can learn and develop myself to be an advanced specialist in Microsoft Excel. So first thing is, you need to understand the basics. In this program, my objective is to tell you from basics, all the options available, all the different basic formulas, all the different charts and graphs, which will help you to develop your skill set in Microsoft Excel basics. So you need to learn basics and then go into the advanced, where you can advanced formulas, like you learn some, or some if you can use pivot formulas, or you can use much more VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP or XLOOKUP, any different formulas you can implement in your Excel sheet which you are developing. And also in advanced, you can understand about what is different pivot tables, pivot charts, macros. As I said, like you can reduce a lot of manual efforts, you can automate it, many things, etc. So you need to understand the basics, you need to understand advanced, and then very important aspect is you need to practice it. Make a habit of developing small rules, go through different ask different people like how they are managing different sort of data in their organization. Try to learn it and practice it, implement it. You can, well, if you have referring to anybody's Excel sheet, try to uh, replicate it how he has done it. You do it from your scratch. So you have to start practicing it. You can definitely improve. So these are the 3 different steps. If you know any other steps, you can still you can develop Microsoft Excel skills. Please provide me in comments. Okay, let's start learning Microsoft Excel.